Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to fix screen flickering while watching YouTube PC. Alright, so this tutorial is going to be performed on my computer and I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your screen flickering. First off, please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources that we share with our viewers. So make sure to give the link a little flick. Alright guys, so let's get started. First off, open up your browser and head over to the settings menu on your browser. I'm making use of the Brave browser. This works on Google Chrome and Safari and other browsers as well. Alright, so once you're on your browser, use the search icon on your browser settings. So it's to click the icon. It's either a three-dotted icon or three horizontal lines. Come over here, scroll to the bottom and select settings. So once you've selected settings, use the search icon, click on search and simply search for um, hardware acceleration. It's hardware acceleration on some browsers, it's graphics acceleration on others. On my browser, it's called graphics acceleration. So use graphics acceleration when available. Simply turn this off. It's going to help with the screen flickering when you're watching YouTube videos. So you can simply turn this off. Another fix for it would be to head over to YouTube and simply close that particular tab. Once you've closed that tab, you could just reload into the tab again. So another fix would be to also head over to your extensions. So if you have extensions that are being made use of, just click on Manage Extensions. So click on the Extensions plugin and then click on Manage Extensions. And in this list of extensions, just simply turn them off and back on so you can realize which extension is stopping you from, viewing the quality image. Another fix would be to just close the browser entirely. Just simply close the browser. And once you've closed the browser, you can now head over to your Windows display settings. So just head over into settings on your Windows. So let's just head into settings now. And now head over to system. Once you're on Windows, this is the Windows 10. So once you're here, head over to display. Click on display and then where it says Windows HD color, you could adjust the color settings if that's what is causing your issues. You could also make sure the scale and layout is on recommended. Make sure the display resolution is also on recommended. And if you're connected to multiple displays, simply reset it, that's reconnect and stuff, and you'd have it done. And then underneath advanced display, you can tweak some of these settings if it's possible. Like the refresh rate on this computer is 89 hertz. You could move it over to 60 hertz if it works for your computer. All right, so another option of doing this, or another option of getting your screen flickering fixed, is in the system settings. In system settings, simply head over to where we have updates. So head over to updates, that's updates and security, and make sure you're on the latest version of the Windows available for your computer. So simply update your software, and those drivers would enable you to enjoy the content you're trying to watch. And also, you could also update your graphics card driver. If you know how to do it, you could update your graphics card driver. Like if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card or the AMD Radeon graphics card, you could just update the software. Alright guys, so that's how you can fix the screen flickering issue on your computer. Also, please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want more content like this. Thank you.